Ever feel like your computer is a party and there's that one guest who just won't leave? You know, that pesky program that's outstayed its welcome. Or maybe it's a piece of bloatware, that unwanted gift from the manufacturer, lounging around like a lazy house guest. Perhaps you're trying to update a software package, but you've got to kick out the old version first. Or perhaps you just want to declutter your digital space for reasons only you understand. Well, fear not. I'm here to be your digital bouncer, showing these unwanted elements the exit sign. Let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's time to reclaim your computer and make it truly yours again. Now don't let the door hit you on the way out, unwanted software.
You're on a digital spring cleaning spree. You spot a software icon and think, haven't used this in a while. You tap the delete key, expecting it to vanish. But no, the software chuckles, nice try, but you need to uninstall me. Here's the simple solution. Push the start button on your Windows system. Amble on over to the settings menu, and if you're on Windows 11 or 10, click on the apps menu. Installed apps, there it is. Now take a leisure stroll through your digital neighborhood of apps. Find that pesky app you want to wave goodbye to. Spot those three little dots on the far right side? Click on them and a new menu will pop up. Select uninstall. Sit back, enjoy a cup of tea while the process completes. And voila! You've successfully evicted the software. Now your PC is ready for more important tasks. Feel free to scroll further and show the door to other software squatters. But remember, tread carefully. You don't want to accidentally boot out your favorite app.
Immerse in the world of knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Don't miss out. Subscribe and tap the bell. Your journey to discovery is just one click away.